Please welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you the BIM link between robot structure and idea StatiCa, and I would like to design two tree connection, and I hope you follow me step by step, and please feel free to ask any question under the YouTube description. Let's start. I want to run my analyze first. I would like to check my result, such as reaction forces with maximum load combination. I check my bending moment, and active the value, the maximum value. Now it's the time to select my member and export to the idea StatiCa. Now idea StatiCa application is open. As you look, my structure is successfully exported to the idea StatiCa. What I would like to do, I would like to design tree connection. Maybe I just deactivate the node number. I start from node number 5. I click to the node number 5 and click the open. Now I will get a new idea StatiCa application window. As you look, successfully it's the member is export with the load combination. I would like start my operation. I use the cut operation, the first method. I want to use as a metric cut. As you look, this is just weld method. I can run my analyze. Now the analysis successfully passed. Everything is looking green. We can go to check the result. You check the equilibrium stress and with mesh. Everything is looking yellow and everything is perfect. We don't have any problem with the stress. And we can check the deformation. And we can check the result also. and we can create some 2D DVG drawing also, and we can increase and decrease the box, and we can rotate also. We can save as a PDF and as a DFG PDF, and we can an EFC also. Again, I want to use the second method. I want to delete this cut operation, and this time I would like to use the weld method. I go to the operation again. I use this pallet bolt method, and it's automatically adjust to my structure, and I make some adjustment here. I make this change little bit, change between the bolt and distance from corner to the weld, and now the adjustment is finished. I run my calculation. My calculation is successfully passed. Just I'm waiting to see the result. Everything is, if you look, everything is looking green. I want to check the stress and strain. In this case, if you look in some of area, we have 325 megapascal stress, and the bottom of my bolt connection palette, but other thing is okay. And we can check the palette result here, and we can check the anchor. Here is the load combination, and we have the member forces, and we can see the bolt forces, and also we can display the bolt forces on palette also, and below you can see the bolt number. And if I can print my, or I can save or print my connection and add to my documentation. That was the first connection. As you see, now it's green. That shows this connection is designed, and we try to design the connection number N number 2. It's between two beam, the connection between two beam. Again, I start to my operation. I use the same connection method. Automatically they connected with the bolt. I can adjust, I can do adjustment if I want. I can change the thickness of my palette, and I can change the weld thickness. I can do a lot of things, but right now I keep it as it is and run my analyze. Also it's looking green. The design is successfully passed, and we can check again the stress. Now we don't have any problem with the stress. Also utilization bolt is also okay, and the weld is also utilized 4.3, and everything is under control, and the design is successfully passed. We save this connection again. As you look, the design number 2 is also green. That means it's designed. Let me go to the design number 4. I want to design that. The same process, just I click my column and I click the anchor. I select one of anchors from my topology and make some adjustment or changing here. I just go and make offset 600 and maybe 800 and anchor the standoff. I click just I make some shear lock on the bottom of my connection. I would like to add some shear lock and use RHS, and I want to add the length 300 and make some adjustment on my palette and offside prop and palette with the washer, and make some adjustment from the top and left and thickness of my palette. And some adjustment on top layer and left layer of my anchor. I want to decrease maybe 600 my shear lock. One more thing I do, I just add some weld 6 millimeter and run my analysis. Now if you look, the anchor is not passed. That means we should do something with the two anchors. Just I want to change that to 42. Increase the size of my anchor. This time to speed up my process and my design, just I want to decrease some of load combination to run my analysis. Just I run my analysis again, and the result is successfully passed. Everything is looking green, and we can check the result again. We can check the palette, anchor, weld, and concrete block and shear. And you can see the load also, the stress and the load, and we can see the full screen of the concrete block calculation. You can check start from the equilibrium stress always with mesh. Equilibrium stress is fine. There is no problem with the stress, and everything is perfect. And we can check the shear. Shear is also okay. And we can check the both forces. That was all for today. Hope you see you in upcoming episode. If you want to learn more about Idea StatiCa, please visit Idea StatiCa website. And if you're a student, you can apply for a student license. If you are a businessman or a structure designer, you can apply for a 14 days trial. After the trial time, you can purchase the full program. Bye.